What's up guys, Marco from Auto Magicians here with another video, this time discussing color matching techniques, and we seek to answer the question, will my color match? We've all heard the horror stories, and we've all seen that car driving down the road with a seemingly different color panel than the rest of the car. I'm gonna walk you through our color matching techniques, as well as the possible issues that we face when trying to match your vehicle's color.
Every car comes with a unique color code that is located somewhere on the body of the car. Depending on the car, it can be located under the hood, in the glove box, in the trunk, or in the door jamb. The color code, when entered into our system, produces a formula made up of between 5 to 20 toners to make up the color of your car. This is where things get interesting. Within every color code, we can have up to 20 different variations or alterations to that color. Some may be a little lighter, some darker, some with more metallic, some with more pearl, etc.
The reason is that not all color codes are an exact match, and this could come straight from the manufacturer. For example, where was the car produced? Was it produced in the US? Was it produced in Japan? Also, did that batch of paint vary slightly from month to month? The variants also take into account the aging or fading of the car's color due to the sun and other elements.
Our technician's job is to pick out the best match possible and potentially even tint the paint slightly if no match can be found. On top of getting the best paint match possible, the techniques used by the painter also play a big role.
So once we have the repair area primed and prepped, the painter has to cover this area with color. Once full coverage is achieved, the painter then floats or feathers out the color in order to essentially trick the eye.
Often we have to blend the paint into the next panel to have enough room to feather out the paint properly. Once the painter is happy with the color, we apply the clear coat to the panel and the painting is complete. One thing to note is the quality of the paint system being used plays a huge part in the color matching. At Auto Magicians, we use only high quality products, and our PPG EnviroBase system is the leading premium waterborne system in North America, offering outstanding color matching for today's OEM finishes.
So will my color match? The short answer is yes. At Auto Magicians, we offer a color match guarantee. That's it for this one, guys. As always, if you have any questions or you want a free estimate, please feel free to stop by, send us an email or call. Don't forget to check out our website, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one.